We've heard people say, hey, are agents and AI going to take our jobs? And as far as I can see, that's not going to happen. I think that's quite misguided. Um, the fact is, when industrial revolution came, there was more job to be had after that than before it. I think a lot of new opportunity comes. Now, what is changing is the way we work is evolving, obviously. I think it's an opportunity for us to reimagine how we can be productive. Half the time, I don't even initiate a project. I put it on the sideburner, never comes to life because there's not enough time or people, right? But now we do. So I think it's a great opportunity to reinvent how things ought to be done. And don't be fearful. I think fear is the killer. I think that's not the right mindset. I think you should embrace the change and you should lead the change. You should make that work for you because that is the inevitable future of whatever we do. In fact, absolutely whatever you do, um, AI is going to change, and I believe it's going to change for the better. So embrace it, guys.